Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we will discuss how to maximize the revenue of your mobile food truck. In this industry, success is not just about cooking delicious food, but also understanding how to effectively operate your business. Today, we will share 5 top tips for success. First, we will talk about design. A good design not only attracts customers' attention but also improves work efficiency. Our galvanized truck food trailer is a great example. Its design is both practical and beautiful, meeting various cooking needs, whether it's frying chicken or grilling food. Second, we will discuss the menu. A good menu should be appealing and cater to different tastes. At the same time, we also need to consider cost and efficiency. Our mobile food truck offers a variety of delicious options while also considering cost and efficiency. Third, we will talk about marketing. In this competitive market, effective marketing strategies are crucial. We will share some of our marketing tips to help you attract more customers. Fourth, we will discuss customer service. Excellent customer service not only attracts new customers but also maintains the loyalty of existing customers. We will share some tips to improve customer satisfaction. Lastly, we will talk about continuous improvement. In this industry, we need to constantly learn and improve to adapt to market changes. We will share some of our experiences to help you continuously improve your business. We hope you can gain some insights from our video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment. If you like our video, please remember to like and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive our latest videos promptly. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.